How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
What's your name?
My name is Zoe.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and eggs.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you work every day?
No, I have weekends off.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
What do you do after work?
I relax and watch TV.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I like cooking.
Do you make your bed every day?
Yes, I do.
How often do you clean your house?
Once a week.
How much is this?
It's $10.
Can I try this on?
Sure, the fitting room is over there.
Do you have this in another size?
Yes, we do.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's around the corner.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a black jacket.
Is it on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a gift.
Do you need a bag?
No, thanks. I brought one.
Do you want a receipt?
Yes, please.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starving.
What's for lunch?
We're having pasta.
Do you like spicy food?
Not really.
What's your favorite dish?
I love pizza.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Would you like dessert?
Yes, I'd love some cake.
Do you want to eat out or cook at home?
Let's eat out.
Can I see the menu, please?
Of course, here you go.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken.
Do you have any vegetarian options?
Yes, we do.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the airport.
How long is the flight?
About 6 hours.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, I do.
What time does the train leave?
At 5:30 p.m.
Can I buy a ticket here?
Yes, at the counter.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
Where's the bus stop?
Across the street.
How much is the fare?
It's $2.50.
How do I get to the station?
Take a left, then go straight.
Is it far from here?
No, it's about 10 minutes away.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling better.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so.
What's the matter?
I have a headache.
Did you see a doctor?
Yes, I went yesterday.
Do you need any help?
Yes, please. I'm not feeling well.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, peanuts.
How long have you been sick?
For 2 days.
Did you take any medicine?
Yes, some painkillers.
Can I get you anything?
A glass of water, please.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
No, I'll be fine.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Is it going to rain?
Yes, later this afternoon.
Do you like cold weather?
Not really. I prefer summer.
Is it hot outside?
Yes, very hot.
Should I bring an umbrella?
Yes, just in case.
What's the temperature?
About 22 degrees Celsius.
Is it snowing?
Yes, it just started.
How's the weather tomorrow?
Cloudy with a chance of rain.
Is it windy today?
A little bit.
Do you like rainy days?
I do when I'm at home.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love them.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and rock.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What's your favorite sport?
Tennis.
Do you like video games?
Yes, I play them often.
What's your favorite book?
Hunger Games.
Do you go out often?
Only on weekends.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love discovering new places.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I went to France last year.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a software engineer.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's interesting.
What time do you start work?
At 9 a.m.
Are you a student?
Yes, I study business.
What's your major?
Computer science.
Do you have a lot of homework?
Yes, too much.
What's your favorite subject?
History.
Who's your teacher?
Mr. Johnson.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, very much.
What do you want to be in the future?
A doctor.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Are you busy?
Not really.
What's wrong?
Nothing, I'm just tired.
What's new?
Not much.
Do you have plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going hiking.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure, go ahead.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
What time is it?
It's 3:15.
Can you help me?
Of course.